Hey everyone, Lauren here. So I wanted to show you guys today my Cosori pressure cooker. I received this from Cosori and I made a couple recipes that are coming up in this video. So a pressure cooker is very similar to like a rice cooker or a crock pot, but it uses steam pressure to cook food faster. So I have literally been able to make rice with this in about like 5 minutes, like really good, yummy, like sticky rice. I also, in the recipe coming up, I have made a French toast casserole. So I'll show you guys like my recipe for that and how I cooked it in the pressure cooker. So with this, there's a lot of different settings and you just select the one that you want and set it to go. Make sure it's locked and it just goes and lets you know when it's done. Then you can release the pressure that is inside with the valve in the back, or just let it sit until it's ready to go. But I don't know, I like things done as fast as possible, so I do release the steam. And then when you take it off carefully, you have a perfectly cooked meal. So I encourage you guys to check out the Cosori pressure cooker and let me know what you think. Or if you already have one, let me know some of your favorite recipes down below in the comments. I hope you enjoy my recipes that I made with this pressure cooker, and let me know your feedback on that as well. Anyway, stay tuned. See you guys soon. Bye. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching my recipes and learning more about my pressure cooker here. I will leave a link down below so you can order one yourself. They are a really great investment, not expensive, and perfect to keep on the counter in your home to make quick and easy meals for your family. I will see you guys next time. Bye.